Hello friends and welcome. My name is Lisa and today I am taking you along with me to show you how I reorganize, declutter and clean my pantry. As you can see, it was pretty messy. It's time to tackle it. So let's do this. First thing first, I'm going to start by removing everything from the shelf. It was a real chaos in there. Everything was out of place and it was a real mess. As you can see, I do not have a walk-in pantry, so everything is in the cupboard. I try to keep everything in kind of a section of its own group to make it easy for my family and I to grab what we need when we need it. Right here are my children's snacks. They were really getting out of hand. It was just a complete mess. Once everything was out and clear out of the shelves, it was time to give it a good clean, and I used my multi-surface cleaners from Mrs. Meyer's in the lavender scent. I went through each item to make sure that they were not expired, that nothing had gone bad, and I got rid of everything that we didn't use or didn't need anymore. Now these containers, I've purchased them from Amazon. They are from Rubbermaid. And the glass ones were purchased at HomeSense, which is pretty much like a Home Goods here in Canada. I cleaned them with some soapy warm water and let them dry overnight. They were ready for use the next morning. All of the other containers that I'll be using here, or shelves, etc., were purchased either from HomeSense, IKEA, and the dollar store. I had the cereal boxes here for a while and never thought about removing the stickers. I guess they didn't bother me at first. But since we are reorganizing and cleaning, I guess it is time for them to get a new look. I'm gonna go ahead and take a minute here and introduce myself. My name is Lisa. I am a mom of two, a wife. My family and I live in Ontario, Canada. I will be sharing a lot of homemaking, home decor, and lifestyle inspiration. So if you do like what you're seeing right now, please subscribe, click the notification bell so that you can be notified on when I post my next video. Please make sure to leave me a comment down below so that I can reply and say hi and welcome you to this new journey with me. So after everything was in the containers, it was time for me to make some labels. I purchased this label maker from Amazon. It is not perfect, but it works for now. I did not like the way it actually printed the labels out. I felt like the letters were kind of crooked, even after I was trying several times. But for now it will work. I will probably change this at a later time, but they look okay for now. I also tackled some of the medicines that I leave in our cupboard. Most of it are vitamins, cold medicines, allergy medicine. I ended up switching them around and moving everything back to the right. Now the fun part, it is time to put it back in the cupboard. I was trying to keep everything again in the same category just to make it easier for when my family and I needed to grab something. Cleaning and organizing is a practice and not a project. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's about being efficient, reducing stress and clutter, and it will save you time and money and improve your overall quality of life. So by taking the time to do those little things, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just do it and make it work for you and your family. That's the most important. I was trying to do something here and try to keep everything that was sweet on one side and all the salty and everyday items on the right, if that makes any sense. This lazy Susan saved my life. I love putting oils and sauces in there. So much easy to actually find it. I don't purchase a lot of canned food. This is just a preference. The only thing that I usually have as a can will be either beans, some tomatoes, and some soups. But everything else, it's usually fresh or frozen. You can see here that I'm putting all the extras in the back of the cupboard before placing the actual containers. Good organizing is not about changing your personality, just your habits. So here is the final result. I still think that there are areas that can be improved, but so far so good. This is functional for my family and I. We're able to grab and see what we're actually grabbing in the in the cupboard, and I am really liking it. I enjoyed doing this. I enjoyed sharing this video with you, and I hope that you enjoyed it too. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and if you have any suggestions for me, they are welcome. I appreciate you. Until next time, friends, stay blessed.